In this video, we'll talk about scheduled Azure Virtual Desktop agent updates, which is a feature that was recently released from Microsoft in preview and is now available in Nerdio Manager, starting with version 4.1. So this is a property of a host pool. So let's go and open up any of these host pools here. Let's find the app attached demo host pool. We'll go to properties. We will open up the AVD page. And you'll see that at the bottom of this page, we have an option called Use Scheduled AVD Agent Update. If we enable this, we have an option to set the time zone for the maintenance window, or we can say use the local session host time zone. That's another way to do it, as opposed to kind of a central one that we define globally here. And you can choose your maintenance window. You can have 2 maintenance windows, and you can decide when you want your agent updates to happen. So for example, in my environment, I want this to happen on Sunday at 8 a.m. If that works, great. And if not, I want to give it a backup window that's going to be, let's say, on Saturday at 2 a.m. So what this will do is it will not perform the agent update kind of randomly or more on Microsoft-driven schedule, which could be in the middle of the workday while users are actively working. This is going to allow you to specify when the hosts are actually going to pull that AVD agent and update it to the latest version. So really useful feature to optimize the reliability of your environment and limit when maintenance of the AVD agent can take place. Hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.